Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by measuring and sifting dry ingredients to avoid lumps. Combine 110 g almond flour with 200 g icing sugar and sift twice. You separate cold egg whites and let them rest until room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes because warm whites whip more voluminously. You start whipping in a stand mixer. Once foamy, add 50 g granulated sugar slowly to reach soft peaks. This creates stable meringue. Make sure to stop and scrape the bowl. Even small, unmixed streaks ruin texture. You now perform macaronage. Fold meringue into the sifted almond sugar mix in 3 additions, using a figure-8 motion to preserve air while deflating just enough. Once done, watch for the lava ribbon. When batter falls back into the bowl in a continuous ribbon that dissolves in about 10-15 seconds, you're ready. You transfer to a piping bag and pipe 3 cm rounds with roughly 1 cm spacing on a silicone mat. If air bubbles rise, tap the tray firmly once to settle them. You let the piped shells rest 20 to 40 minutes until a dry skin forms so feet develop during baking. You preheat oven and bake at 140 to 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 16 minutes, rotating the tray once. Open the oven briefly only if necessary. Once cooled, match shells and pipe filling, then age refrigerated 24 to 48 hours for best texture. If shells are hollow, make sure you rested them properly. Under-resting or overbeating causes hollows. Adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.